blue-eyed dream. I saw her walking down the road, a light so bright, a story untold. Her hair like gold in the morning sun, a vision of grace, my heart was won. And in her eyes I found the sky, a shade of blue that could never lie, a gentle wave in an endless stream. She's the girl of my blue-eyed dream. My woman blessed by the stars above, an angel sent from the heavens with love. She's the answer to my every prayer, my blue-eyed dream beyond compare. With every smile she steals the night, turns my darkness into light. A soul so pure, a heart so true, every day she paints my world anew. And in her touch I feel the fire, a burning love, a pure desire. She's the melody to my song unseen, my sweet and tender blue-eyed dream. My woman blessed by the stars above, an angel sent from the heavens with love. She's the answer to my every prayer, my blue-eyed dream beyond compare. And in her touch I feel the fire, a burning love, a pure desire. She's the melody to my song unseen, my sweet and tender blue-eyed dream. My woman blessed by the stars above, an angel sent from the heavens with love. She's the answer to my every prayer, my blue-eyed dream beyond compare. And as the years go rolling by, with her by my side, I'll never cry. For I have found my love supreme in my woman, my blue-eyed dream. Blue-eyed dream. She's my blue-eyed dream, forever in my heart. She's my blue-eyed dream. Blue-eyed dream. She's my blue-eyed dream, forever in my heart. She's my blue-eyed dream.